So, good morning mga katao. So, it's June 21, Saturday. So, ang gagawin nating routine for today para sa training ng mga kids is agility and stamina training, no? So, we'll be using ladder, cones, and markers as well. So, yun ang ating concentration for today. So, of course, yung routine natin, no? Jogging muna, stretching, and then yung partial training na yun, and then short scrimmage, no, ang gagawin na, so, which is yun ang usual routine natin, no. So again, for those na bagong gising, no, bagong salta sa aming Facebook page and also sa aming YouTube channel, do not forget to click yung like button, patap yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload sa aming YouTube channel. And of course, do not forget to subscribe. And also sa aming Facebook page, do not forget to like, no, and also follow. And pa-share na din ang ating Facebook page and also YouTube channel. Okay, so keep on subscribing and support local football, no, especially dito sa ating minamahal na Bicolandia. Okay? So anyways, this is Coach Song nagsasabing God bless, no? And see you later. Paalam muna. Dalawa. Oh, dribble. You dribble the ball. Dribble sa yan, sa marker. Dribble. Oh, iwan bola, iwan. Oh, dun takbo. Takbo. Ayan, oh. Oh. Yan, good. Dribble. Go Miguel, dribble. Go, goal. Good. Tara. Last round. Dribble. Yan, good. Oh, tingin na, oh. Goal. Ah. Next. Uy. Angus, rep, angus. Oh, dribble. Iwan bola, iwan. Tara. Oh. Choose side, oh. Choose side. Ayan, go. Next. Angus lang. Hangin. Lima. Oh, tara. Dribble. Oh, iwan bola. Iwan. Oh. Oh, tara. Choose side. Kita na asin. Oh. Oo. Tara, tara, tara. Tara, dribble, dribble. Dribble. Okay. Oh, kita. Asin. Oh. Game. No pain, no gain. Oh. Oh, balik mo dun, balik sa may ano, doon sa harapan ng marker dun. Yan, stop mo diyan, stop. Yan, stop mo dito. Yan. Oh, hayaan mo na, hayaan mo na. Nandiyan na siya, nandiyan na siya. Yan na, yan na. Ah. Ah. Two side. Ah. Oo. Kanin doon magilas ball manggayod. Last ball yung dalawa. Mga Chelsea. Yan na. Bola. Ah. Ah, two side. Yan. Goal. Nice. Tara, next. Siyan. Tara, tara. Dribble siyan. Dribble.
Ano kasi yan? Hindi ka makakakuha ng
Paint, paint. Iwan, iwan ang bola. Oh, yan na. Oh. Tingin, scan. Oh. Ayan na, ayan na. Yung dalawa, oh. Last daw yung dalawa, last. Go, Miguel. Go, Miguel. Go, dribble, dribble, dribble. Dribble. Oh, dribble. Dribble. Oh. Iwan, iwan bola. Yan, yan. Oh. Oh, pick. Go, go, go. Goal, goal. Ah. Tara, tara, tara. Eman, Eman, go. Tara, tara. Ball. Lagay mo din yung bola. Miguel, dito, dito. Yan, 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 yan. Stop mo dito. Stop mo dito, stop. Yan, okay na, okay na. Oh, ito. Go, go. Dribble, dribble. Dribble. Dribble, dribble. Dribble, dribble. Okay. Go, go, go. Go, go, oh. Go, oh. Oh. Good. Go. Go. Oh, bigay mo kay Eman. Bigay mo kay Eman. Ah. Okay, very good, oh. Ah. High five na, high five. High five. Hi, oh, hi.
Hi, hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, very high, oh, very high. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, Eman. Hi. Oh, sige.
Okay na yan.
Oh, okay na, sige, go. Oh, very good. Oh, taas oh. Taas ko, taas.
Hi pa.
Oh.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Ano yan? Ayun.
Ah.